Lesson 1. Introduction to Computer. Computer Hardware. In this lesson, 1. Introduction. 2. Functions of a computer. 3. Computer and its parts. 4. Kind of output. 5. Types of hardware. 6. Hardware equipments functioning. Introduction. A computer is an electronic machine that is used to generate information from data. It can also store, organize data and control other machines. Monitor, CPU, keyboard, UPS. Remember, data are unorganized raw facts and figures. Information is meaningful data upon which decisions can be based. Computer manners. We should learn everything about the computer, and for that we have to pay attention in the classroom. Functions of computer. There are various functions that can be performed by a computer. They are entering the data. We can enter data with the help of input devices such as keyboard, mouse, etc. Processing the data. It performs calculation and compares data, which is done with the help of CPU. Data storage. Computer can store data in its memory. Data can also be stored on external storage devices like the floppy disk and pen drive. Output of data processing. Output is the information or result produced by the computer. Computer and its part. 1. Hardware. All physical parts of a computer are collectively called hardware. Some hardware parts are discussed below. Monitor. Monitor is also known as visual display unit, VDU. It works as both input and output device. It shows what the computer is doing. Central Processing Unit, CPU. It is called the brain of the computer. All the calculation and comparisons are performed by CPU. It has 3 units. 1. Control unit. 2. Arithmetic unit. 3. Memory unit. Keyboard. Keyboard is an input device. It helps us to enter data. With the help of keys, we are able to type the input. About 105 keys are present on the keyboard. Mouse. Mouse helps us to move the pointer on the screen. It helps us to select the required options on the screen, draw pictures and do many other things. Printer. Printer is an output device. It is used to print the output on paper. Software. A number of computer programs are needed to enable the hardware to work and give results. These programs are collectively called software. Example is MS Paint. Kinds of output. Soft copy of output. It means the information which appears on the computer screen and can be stored in a hard disk, a CD or a pen drive, etc. Hard copy of output. It means the output which is printed on the paper. Hardware equipments functioning. All the electronic and machinery parts related to a computer are collectively called hardware. It refers to the part of computer system that you can touch and feel. Types of hardware. Hard disk, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor. Monitor. Monitor is an output device. It is also known as visual display unit, VDU. It shows the work done by the computer. Result shown by it is also called soft copy. Keyboard. Keyboard is used to input your work in the computer. We can input data by pressing keys of the keyboard. There are about 105 keys present on the keyboard. Mouse. Mouse is a part of computer that we move and click to do things on a computer screen. Joystick. It is used to play games on the computer. It detects movement in two directions. It has got a stick to give signals. Scanner. Scanner is used to scan pictures, photos, images into the computer. It converts hard copy into soft copy. Printer. It makes a permanent copy of the processed information on paper. It is used to print details. Quick recap. A computer is an electronic machine that can store, organize and find information and do calculation. All the electronic and machinery parts are known as hardware. Computer has various parts like monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, etc. Hardware parts of a computer can be felt and touched. Monitor is an input as well as output device. We can make drawings with the help of mouse. Scanner is used to scan images into the computer. Words to remember. Data refers to facts and information stored in a computer. CPU is the central processing unit of a computer. Hardware is the machinery and electronic parts of a computer. Software are programs used to operate the computer. Scanner is a device used to convert hard copy into soft copy. Video refers to visual display unit or the monitor of a computer.